Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A5 front grille. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal kit and a T25 torque screwdriver. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine is off for safety. It's a good idea to protect your bumper with painter's tape to avoid any accidental scratches while working. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and damage-free replacement. Next, we'll focus on detaching the bumper. Start by removing the screws located at the top of the bumper and within the wheel arch liners. Once those are out, carefully unclip the bumper from the sides. Gently lower it, being mindful of any attached wiring. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors before fully removing the bumper. Now for the main event, swapping the grille. With the bumper off, you can easily access the old grille. Simply unclip it by releasing the retaining tabs around its perimeter. Take your new grille and carefully position it into the bumper opening. Make sure all the clips engage securely, giving a firm click. Before moving on, confirm the new grille is flush and perfectly seated. To finish up, carefully reverse the process. Reconnect all electrical components, then gently lift and reattach the bumper, ensuring all clips align. Secure all the screws you removed earlier, making sure everything is snug and tight. Take your time to ensure a perfect fit. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book that can change your financial perspective, check the description below. We hope this guide helps you achieve a fresh new look for your Audi A5.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.